Hey, also we're at Panorama Ridge right now. It is about 6:30 or 7 a.m. and we are starting the trail. So Deanna's first time here and Felicia's second time here. This is like, I don't know, my fourth or fifth time. First three times it was like snowing, raining, cloudy. Fourth time was a charm. Fifth time it's gonna be good. But the skies are clear, good weather, very cool morning, but it's gonna be hot later on. So it's about 5 or 6 hour hike up to the ridge, and we're planning to spend about maybe a good 2 hours there, enjoying the views, soaking in the views. And after that, we're planning to hike down to Garibaldi Lake, go for a swim in a dip there. Panorama Ridge is like one of the most famous hikes here in BC. Lots of people come here, but apparently there's not so many people here today because it's not the weekend, so we decided to hike on a weekday. We love to camp here, but unfortunately because of pandemic, we're not allowed to camp in some parks, especially in Panorama, because it's one of the famous destinations. People love to come here for the views. Elevation gain is about a little over 1,500 meters elevation gain, 5 to 6 hours to up to the ridge. We just started on the trailhead right now, and it's steep. First 6 kilometers very boring. So there's 2 paths. Once we reach to the fork after the 6 kilometer mark, we can take the trail going towards Garibaldi and up to the ridge, or we can take Taylor Meadows, which is shorter, and we can see all the wildflowers. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna have so much fun. Incredible day. Hopefully we can see some wildlife. Not too close because we don't want to be eaten alive. So we're in Taylor Meadows right now, and the sun is shining and it's hot, scorching hot. Black Tusk is right there behind the trees. No. And Sienna has a dirty mind. And Felicia said, what the heck are you talking about? Another, let's see, 6.5 kilometers. And yeah, we're just enjoying the views here of the meadows with a lot of wild trees and plants, and Black Tusk is behind us, and it's just like a very beautiful view. There's an outhouse right here, like where you can relax but you can't camp, and food storage is just like right behind me right there. Black Tusk is right behind me as well, and I guess we're ready to go. Hey, we're at the fork on our way to Panorama Ridge, and we saw some wild animals right there. I think that might be marmot. So cool. You see it there? Right over there. Oh wow, it's whistling. Black tusk is behind me. So big and sharp. If you dare to climb that, do it. If you climb that, let me know what you think. Sienna's gonna marry Panorama Ridge.
Yes, of course.
And
engage.
she hasn't even seen Panorama yet. So it's more like a blind marriage.
Yeah.
Or arranged. So if you look at this scenery, there's the lake behind me. I'm not sure what it's called. It might be Black Tusk Lake or something. Behind me, that's the trail up to Panorama, and that's a ridge about 3 kilometers up. If we go this way, behind me, that's the Black Tusk area. That's where we came from. That's where the fork is. We should be up in Panorama about, like, let's say an hour or so. It'll be interesting. So behind me is Panorama Ridge. I believe we're about maybe 40 minutes away. We should be at an elevation, once we're up there, about over 2,000.
2,300 about there.
Yeah, 2,300. So pretty, gonna be really stunning views up there. Incredible, gorgeous, and everything. Wow factor.
You have the
Awesome.
clouds, you have the sun, you cannot ask for anything else.
Look at the sky. It's very blue. Clouds, wind comes and goes, but not strong. The sun, it's going to, when it's out, it's going to really be scorching hot. It's going to be incredible. Yay. Woohoo! So we're on top of Panorama Ridge. Yeah. So that's Table Mountain, Mount Price, and behind those clouds that's Mount Garibaldi, and down there that's Garibaldi Lake. Awesome.
So